All right, we're back out in the field. It's time to get after it. Set up this time. We've got two dogs down on this end, one dog down on that end. You can kind of come look it right here and check this out. The way we're sitting up with Violet's little rig 'em right field bully, I just put my gun case up under here so she can kind of have more of a elevated view, because we got this little hump right here. I want to make sure that Violet can kind of really get a good mark on those birds. But about to brush this in, and then we're gonna get after it. Feeling pretty good. Shells on the ground already. That's a good sign. You know birds are gonna be here. I don't know if I got anything else to say other than that, other than we're gonna cancel some flights. That's the new saying we've got.
I like it.
We're gonna cancel them. How you feeling, Tom? You feeling good?
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
You ready to cancel some flights?
I heard cancel flights. I'm all about it. Let's go.
I'm not saying anything about what I think about today. I'm gonna go with what Jesse has said. We're just gonna let it be what it's gonna be.
I'm feeling good. There's feathers in this field. That makes me feel better than yesterday. I didn't see any feathers yesterday, but the day before, they saw tons of birds in there. But I'm feeling hopeful for today. We just did a little bit of training, just super simple retrieves to the decoys. Had some fun with that. The dogs are ready. We're all brushed in. You know, honestly, layout hunting is, some people may not be all for it, but it's one of my favorite hunts, honestly. I've had some really good hunts in a layout blind. It's just fun to see the birds come in on you like this. But we're ready. We're ready to get after it and cancel these flights today. We already smacked those chucker down, a couple quail too. But hopefully we can get after some nice mallards and maybe a pintail. Oh, there they come, boys. There they come. Shot two. You mind if I send her?
Go ahead.
Sit. Bye. Turn it up. On. How far? Oh! Good girl. Yeah, look at that. A beauty.
Big fat greenhouse.
Kill him.
Big bunch of birds.
Kill him. What's that? Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Oh, girl.
Hey, way over here, way over here. There you go, there you go. There you go, good girl. Got a little greedy when I saw that pintail. And I went up. We've had a break. I need to fix that. So I'm gonna sit here, I'm not gonna shoot. Maybe really focus on her steadiness. Here we go. Last chance, baby. Tom, you want to get this one?
Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Rip.
There you go.
Yo!
Walk back, walk back, walk back. Let him be, let him be, let him be. Let him be, there you go.
Come on. Good boy, Kennel, good boy.
Oh no. God. You lucky. Wait, oh, look at him. Watch him, watch him, watch him. He's down.
Stop shooting because I thought that bird was going.
Watch him, Barton.
We had a bird sail out right at the end of shooting light, and I don't really have a good mark on it. We don't have any wind, but the ethical thing to do is always make a good attempt to retrieve it. So we're going to give it an honest try and see if we can't find it. We'll see if we can get him back over the trees. That's quite a long way. Dead bird. Let's go back. Get over. Get over. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. At this point, I have absolutely no idea. I imagine he'll hunt a little bit and check back. There's thick stuff in there. Really a pickle when you've got a bird that you have no idea exactly where it is. We know it's somewhere over there. You've got a massive barrier to keep you from getting to where the bird is. And you've got so much cover that you can't see to handle your dog. So we got three things working against us on this one. May not be possible, but give him a couple more casts back into the area and see if he comes up with anything. If not, we'll head back and help the boys pick up.
It's worth a shot though, you know?
Yeah, you gotta make a good effort.
Zip.
Man.
We tried.
We tried. Come on, buddy.
Oh well, we tried. Well, we didn't get skunked today.
No, not today. We saw a lot of birds. It was fun watching those big flocks of mallards come down into us.
It was great. And that one beautiful pintail.
Oh.
That
Big, gorgeous bull spring. I've been waiting my whole life to shoot one of those, and he came right in the hole on us.
That was beautiful. He was fluttering awesome. Right there. I should not have gone up. I shouldn't have done it, but I did. I made that mistake, but it was still awesome. Did you shoot that one?
The penny?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, heck yeah, I got it. That's the only one I was looking at.
I knew you were looking for that. That was a beautiful one. But
that's the only bird I saw, that big flag. No.
That was great. There was quite a few birds. We really couldn't connect up too well. Not enough wind. So they didn't just drop in like we wanted. But I was proud of old Rip. He did great.
Yeah.
Overall, the dog work was great. We had a couple little boo-boos we had to work through, but that's more handler.
That's expected, I guess.
That's more handler related. But hey, that's hunting, and I enjoyed it. So proud of you. Glad we got everybody
on the board.
We're on the board, so maybe tomorrow we can really connect up if all goes well. If not, I would say it's already been a great trip. Just doing the upland deal today. And what's been your favorite part so far? Were you proud of? How'd you feel about Rip on that one?
He did really well. He did really well. He came all the way back to me, but I don't know what he got, wind or something behind the blind or something. So he kind of went off in a different direction. But he came back. It all worked out. So. Yeah. It's all good.
There's a lot of excitement in the morning. I mean,
a lot of excitement. A lot of birds were circling and dogs are up looking at them, so that's fun.
Especially when we haven't really connected on them. You know, we had that big expectation for yesterday. Nothing happened, and then today
that's
we're all.
That's something that happens. So.
Well, I'm proud of you and Rip, and
thank you.
It's part of the game. We had some fun, and let's see if we can do it tomorrow.
Sounds great.